Next, a recycling site in South Elmsall is set to lose its operating permit after the Environment Agency ruled it poses a serious risk to public health and the environment. Residents living near the facility on Hacking Lane have long complained of overpowering smells, dust and litter. A planning inspector has now backed the Environment Agency's decision to revoke the site's permit, saying the operator, Minoray, also known as Mineral Processing Limited, stored nearly 5 times more hazardous material than allowed. The agency says the firm showed total disregard for safety rules and the impact on locals. West Yorkshire's Deputy Mayor for Policing says forces across the country need urgent funding if they're to meet government targets on reducing violence against women and girls. Labour's Alison Lowe told BBC Radio Leeds the national policing shortfall is around £500 million, which she says is affecting services and buildings. She also raised concerns about how long it takes to investigate domestic abuse deaths, calling the government's 6 months target unrealistic. An appeal is underway into the convictions of a former nurse jailed for the murder of 4 elderly patients at hospitals in Leeds. Colin Campbell, previously known as Colin Norris, was sentenced to life in 2008 after being found guilty of injecting 4 women with insulin. The Criminal Cases Review Commission referred the case to the Court of Appeal, claiming the original trial relied entirely on circumstantial evidence. Campbell denies any wrongdoing and says the hypoglycemia seen in the patients had natural causes. This week, his barrister told judges the case was straightforward and the convictions should be ruled unsafe. The Crown has disputed that, saying some defence claims were misleading. A new digital hub for the UK's drug safety watchdog is to open in the centre of Leeds. The Medicines and Healthcare Products Regulatory Agency says the site at Wellington Place will focus on software, data science and digital delivery, with around 30 new roles to start. The move supports growing work in AI and health tech, which regulators say could transform the NHS. The decision comes as Leeds cements its status as a digital health hub with more than 44,000 tech professionals and a large student talent pool already based in the city. The hub will also strengthen ties with NHS England, which has operations in the same area.